Okay, so let's go through and answer the two-way frequency table questions. So how many female students surveyed wear contacts? And for that one, I can go and see where female and contacts meet, which is at 12. So my answer is 12 um, female students. B, what is the total number of male students surveyed? So for that one, I am going to need to add um, these three numbers. So I've got 30 plus 18 is 48, plus 5 more, 53. Okay. And then when we come here, it's lots of times when you're answering questions about this, it is helpful to have your totals. So I'm having technical difficulties. Okay. So when we add all the males together, we get 53. And females, we're going to do 8 plus 12 is 20. Plus 35 gives us 55. And then if I go vertically, the total number of people with glasses, I do 18 plus 8 to get 26. For contacts, 5 plus 12 to get 17. And for neither, 30 plus 35 is 65. And then that 108 should be both the total of the vertical column here, right? So 53 plus 55 is 108. And it also works this way. 26 plus 17 plus 65 gives me 108. And that's a great place to check to make sure you didn't make an error because both ways should add up to that same number. Okay, so what percent of students surveyed wear neither glasses nor contacts? So remember, this number here was 108 in the corner for the total number of students. And we are looking for the percent that wear neither glasses or contacts. And so the total of those people is 65. So I can write that as a fraction as 65 over 108. Or I can type that into the calculator and do 65 divided by 108, which is going to get me a decimal. And then I'm going to multiply by 100 to get a percent. And that is, I'm actually going to change this to a little squiggly. This means about instead of equals. That's about 60%. Your actual answer is 60.185, et cetera, et cetera. Okay. And then what percent of students surveyed are male students who wear glasses? So I'm going to erase this for now. Did it again. Okay. So male students who wear glasses. So remember, my total male students was 53. And I've got 18 of them wear glasses. So 18 out of 53. And you can, to get your percent, you would do 18 divided by 53 and then multiply that by 100. And that will get you about, I made a mistake on that. I did not read that question correctly. Let me back up. So that would be what percent of male students wear glasses, but that's not what the question asks. The question asks, what percent of students surveyed are male students who wear glasses? So that, this number doesn't matter. We need the 108 again. Okay, so what percent of students surveyed? So that's 108. That's that same total. Are male students who wear glasses. And that's my number of male students who wear glasses. So it's 18 out of 108. And again, we're going to do 18 divided by 108. And then we multiply that by 100 and get about 17%. You actually get 16.6 repeating percent. What percent of students who wear glasses are female? So here, the number of students who wear glasses is we need this total, right? That would be here. So 8 plus 18 is going to be 26. So we're going to take 8 females from that category, right? That's um, that part. 8 females out of a total of 26 students that wear glasses. And we're going to do that same thing to get the percent, where we take our numerator and divide it by the denominator, and we can multiply by 100, which will get us about 31%. Okay, and then the Better Vision Eye store in, I don't know what that says, Dubuque, has decided to open a branch that caters just to women. How will the owners change their inventory to accommodate their female customers? And basically, here, all you're doing is taking a look at what you have. And when I look at females, I can see that, let's look. There's my females. Okay. That more females are wearing contacts than are glasses. It's not a huge amount more, but it is more, right? And so um, I want to have in my inventory, I'm going to have more contacts than glasses. That doesn't mean I won't have any glasses, but based on this very small sample of data, it would tell me that females are wearing contacts more than glasses. So I would want to make sure I have enough um, contacts in store.